Increase My Slime Supplies Challenge with my beautiful mom. Mom's name is Jetta. And yeah, let's get straight on into the video. So guys, how you play this challenge is you have to ask Siri a number out of 1 through 6, or like 1 through 6 we have right here, or 1 through 5. We have 5 ingredients, and then she picks it, and then we take it. So yeah. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get the buckets. Alrighty, so who goes first? We'll do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Ameerah, why do you always do?
Why do you always do rock?
Well, because I think you're gonna do scissors, so.
Okay, you go first.
I choose you to go first.
Oh. Okay guys, so let's do this. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 6.
It's 4.
4. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4. You got green. Well, I got green. Green, Nickelodeon, green, go. Oops. So pour that in there. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Here you go, Mom.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 6.
That would be 2.
Oh, you got 2.
I got purple. I like purple. Oh my beans.
Mom, could you go a little faster? You're just like dripping it in there. How did you make such a mess? Okay guys, you're all good with this round. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, the next one is additional ingredients. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 6.
The answer is 5.
Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yay, I got gel! Here's gel. Okay, your turn, Mom. All right.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 6.
The answer is 3.
Oh, you got cornstarch.
Ah.
Mom! Did you put any on my head?
No.
Just trying to put a bunch of hair gel. Okay, I think I can put enough. Alright guys, next round! Next round! Okay, let's do this. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 5.
It's 5.
Yeah, I got 4 beads!
Wait for me. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 5.
It's 4.
Oh, you got instant snow?
Yay! Do I put it all?
No, that's not a good idea.
Why? Why not?
No, it's a really good idea. I was kidding. It's a really bad idea. Mine's gonna be so cool. Alright guys, next round! Alright guys, the next round is gonna be glitters! Okay, so, let's do this. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 4.
That would be 1.
Yay, I got iridescent glitter!
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 4.
3.
Oh, you got green.
A little more. How about more? Ameerah, you're supposed to stop me. It's not fun anymore.
Okay, next round! So, next round is glitter balls. Okay, so we have this, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this time. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 7.
It's 7.
Hey, I got pink. That's not gonna go well, but I think it should just like not even show.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 7.
2.
Ooh!
Ooh, she got silver. This glue is so hard to get out of the container. Ooh, yours looks so cool. Okay, next round. Alright guys, so now we have a colorful foam bead. So yeah. Okay, how many do we have? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Okay, so let's do this. Also, like button challenge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Were you able to press the like button challenge? Or like just press the like button? Yeah? Okay, let's keep going. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 11.
It's 3.
Yay! Oh, I got orange.
I want 1.
It's gonna look weird.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 11.
It's 9.
That one's like right here. I think it's green.
Yay!
You got a lot of green. At least it's gonna match mine. It's gonna look just weird. No, actually, it looks really cool.
Cute. Ooh, this green is pretty.
Ooh, that is such a pretty green. Doesn't come out. Alright guys, next round. Next round is this. Okay, so we have a bunch of Crazy Art store-bought slime. So we have this. How many do we have? 10. We have 10, right? Right, Mom? Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 10.
That would be 2.
Yay! Oh no, I got purple slime. I hope
I'll
that
take
doesn't
the
ruin
purple.
everything. Yeah, you should have the purple. All right.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 10.
It's 9.
Oh, you got purple
Ooh.
too. Just got like a light purple.
I keep like getting stuff that is the same.
Yeah, I have like the whole rainbow in mine, and she just has like green and purple. Okay, next round. Here's the next round. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
They're so cute.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 7.
It's 1.
1. All right, we got little bear charms. They're little cute bear charms, guys. Look at how cute they are. Okay, Bob, you can go now.
Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 7.
It's 2.
Wait, that would be that one. Cupcakes.
Can I eat them?
Well, I mean, yeah, but I don't think you should.
They're so precious. Look at that.
Yours matches so well.
This is gonna look pretty.
Next round, answer me scents. So, I love scents so much. They make the slime so nice. Okay, so there's 5. Hey Siri, choose a number between 1 and 5.
That would be 2.
I got 2. I got coconut cream pie.
Oh my god, that smells
That
good.
makes no sense, but I love coconut, so.
Hey Siri,
That
choose a
much.
number between 1 and 5.
The answer is 1.
Oh, you got Oreos, cookies, and cream.
Oh my god.
Smells so good.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so that is it. Let's go ahead and start mixing and activating our slime. Okay guys, so it's time to mix our mixture, our glue,
Okay.
our slime. I
It
wonder
smells good.
how mine's gonna turn out because mine is like a foam. A very colorful foam with a lot of glitter. Mine seems like it's gonna turn out pretty good. I'm excited. Look at that. Wow, that looks like a garden or
pretty.
something. A Christmas tree. What kind of Christmas tree has
like
orange?
a pumpkin. Pumpkin. Mine's very weird. Looks like candy.
Yeah.
It's a blueberry pie.
Kind of blue. I don't want any of your slime, Mom. Alright guys, now it's time to activate. Get some of that. Yeah, Mom. And let's go. Let's go.
Ooh, it's warm.
Let's go.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it does. You're just gonna take a very long time to activate because you decided to add the whole bottle of instant snow.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Ameerah.
Mine's gonna turn into a jiggly slime.
Yours?
Yeah.
I don't know what mine's gonna turn into.
Mine kind of looks like vomit. Like zombie brain, zombie crunch or something. Oh yeah, zombie crunch. That's good.
I mean, mine's cute. Your eyes is gonna activate eventually.
Eventually.
Alright guys, we are all done making our slimes and now we can do some ASMR now. I go first. Yay, I did it.
Second.
Alright guys, here's my slime.
Nice.
My slime actually turned out pretty good. The purple slime that we put in there, the store-bought one, didn't change it at all. Like, what the heck? And the pink glitter glue didn't change it at all either. It's just a nice green foam slime. I cannot wait till this gets rid of all the bubbles because it has like a lot of bubbles right now.
And this one's mine. It's pretty
Yours is
nice. And
weird.
it smells really good to begin with. And it looks really pretty. I like it. It feels weird.
Yours is actually really cool. Like the texture,
really stretchy.
and then it has like the glitter.
I really like it.
Let me try and make a bubble with mine. Eh! Look at
Oh
that!
my god, it's so pretty. The glitter on this one looks so pretty. I think the snow made it. Look at that, Ameerah.
What?
I don't know, it just looks so pretty.
Yeah, it
The
does.
snow? Look.
Hers is really cool. I like the design of it. Like it actually looks really cool. Like the texture and like the purple and green sparkles. Like the green glitter actually stands out a lot and looks cool.
Oh my god.
You should try making a bubble, Mom.
This is gonna be intense. Okay, like that. I can't.
Ta-da! Okay, here, let me try. You need some bubble making class, Mom.
I think so.
Ta-da! Your slime has a different texture, so it's like it's harder to make these bubbles.
But it's so pretty.
Hey, you did it!
Like a thicker bubble.
Yeah. Mine's very good for making bubbles. I know.
It's so thin. Really nice. Oh my god, the glitter.
Ta-da!
They both smell so good. I think this turned out really good. Both of them.
I really like how mine turned out. I like how both of them turned out. They turned out really cool. I really like how mine's like a foam. I like foam in general, so yeah. Well, that is it, guys. You guys comment down below. You guys want to do a part 2 to this. And that is it. I love you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye!